Everyone, welcome to Python Web Scraping. I'm Sadali, and today in this video, I'll tell you about top 6 web scraping proxy API services you should try for web scraping. The problem statement is that whenever we are scraping a large scale of number of pages, what happens is that our IPs get blocked. If you have list of proxy IPs and you have list of headers, when you are sending too many requests per IP, eventually your IPs get blocked as well for a specific period of time, which means that if your one IP is blocked for 1 hour, you have to test it after 1 hour to make sure that it is unblocked so that you can use it again. So it requires a lot of effort, coding, and resources as well. So these proxy API services are ingenious solution if you think about it, because they rotate headers for you, they render dynamic content as well, they rotate your IPs as well. So all you have to do is use these proxy IPs, and then you will be able to scrap the website really easy. So the first one in my list is Zite. So if you remember, it was Scraping Hub before, but they rebranded it as Zite. Zite can be called as flag bearer of web scraping right now, but they also maintain the scraping framework as well. So the good thing about that is that they integrate really well with your Scraping framework. They have middlewares, they have documentation, good comprehensive documentation if you need to do large scale web scraping. So right now their packages you can purchase. I think it is $0.08 per 1,000 requests, but if you want to purchase the basic package starts from something like $30 for 50,000 requests. So it is a really good service. They render JavaScript for you. They offer you 50 concurrent requests for basic package as well. So you can increase that. They have different packages for different use cases. So this is a really good service. You should give it a try. Now, remember that basically all of these proxy API services have their pros and cons, right? So I'm not going to say that Zite is the number one and any other is the last one. So in this case, pick up anyone that suits your needs. Now the next one is Zen Scrap. Zen Scrap is basically what I like about it is that it gives you a lot of requests, around 250k requests just for $30, which is really great if you are just trying to rotate your IP. Sometimes when you are scraping a website, you do not always have to solve a comprehensive anti-botting feature. Sometimes you just need to rotate your IPs to get the data that you need. So in this case, if you are looking for something like that, ZenScrap is something that you should be looking for, as you should be exploring. Okay, so
next in line is
Scraping Dog. Scraping Dog, well, I would like to say that they're also really when it comes to giving you the number of requests that you can make for really like low price, which is $30. In $30 you can send up to 200k requests, and you can also render dynamic content as well. You can bypass captchas if you are using you are scraping a website that has captchas on it. So it is really good service. You should give it a try as well. So this comes at number 3. The reason I pick it as number 3 is because of its huge amount of number of requests that they offer for really cheap price. So at number 4 is ScrapingB. ScrapingB, what I like about ScrapingB is that their website layout, they have really beautiful website, to be honest. Other than that, I think they have a really good large IP pool, and as well as their availability is high as well. So the only problem with ScrapingB is that they are slightly more expensive than the other services that I have mentioned before. They offer you 150k requests for $50. So if you are looking for a more reliable service, then I think ScrapingB is something you should try. And other than that, whenever you subscribe to their service, they offer you 1,000 free requests. So also in case of Zite offers you $5 that you can spend on their services. So I think that is also worth mentioning. Okay, now comes the Scraper API at number 5. I really like this service, and I have used Scraper API in past a lot. And in my personal experience, I think I have used Zite and Scraper API for so many of my projects, and I also recommend these two services to a lot of people. So they have really nice integration with Scrapy framework as well, and the support is good as well. So what you get here is for $50 you get 100k requests, and also they offer up to 20 concurrent requests at a time. The reason that I started using this service was because they offer you 1,000 requests for free, and they renew every month, which is great for freelancers, because sometimes we are not scraping the website for ourselves. We are building scrapers for our clients. So we just don't want to purchase monthly subscriptions. We just need something to test our scrapper, and then we recommend that solution to our clients. So, and if you're a freelancer and this is really good and something that you want to test before you purchase the solution. Okay, so now comes Zenros. I think this is a really good service as well. The what I really like about Zenros is that they have huge learning base, where you can search all the solutions, you can search different tutorials, problems that you have, and also as far as API is concerned, they offer some, around 200, 250K requests for just for 50 euros, I guess. So it is cheap service and it is affordable. They have really good support service as well. You can reach out to them and they are very responsive if you want to get support for your scrappers. This is it for today. I think this is enough. If you have any questions about these proxy services, you can ask in comment section as well, and let me know what was your experience as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.